Hello everyone, this is Muye Industry. Installation tutorial for Ford Ranger flagpole mount. Check if products and accessories match the screen. Prepare bracket, base and screws for pre-installation. Align smooth base with bracket and fix with screws. Open the tailgate and remove 3 original screws. Keep removed parts for later reinstallation. Align 3 bracket holes with original screw holes. Reinstall original parts and tighten firmly. Loosen to screws on base slider sides. Take mount body with logo R facing downward. Slide body groove into base groove from top. Tighten 2 side screws on the base. This mount has light, antenna, and GoPro slots. Adjust GoPro slot and tighten after positioning. Insert light screw and fix with matched nut. Insert antenna base from bottom and tighten. Adjust GoPro slot, then mount your GoPro. Universal flagpole hole. Push down firmly to install. Flagpole mount installation is fully completed. Thank you for choosing and trusting Muye Industry. Let's check the finished installation effect.
Coloque as cartas na mesa. Te dá tudo, mas não que mereça. Sabe que é muita dor de cabeça. Então aproveita antes que
fala o que quiser, não te promete amor. Não vou te dar o que quer, só o que merece. Manda texto, não vou ler.